Tonight I'm looking at the carrier signal output from the control board on my TS430S, and Gary wanted to check on the readings on that. The readings are taken from J3 on the control board, and I've got my frequency counter hooked up with some alligator clips, and at the moment we are sitting in lower sideband. The frequency I'm getting there 8.2850, and according to the manual for lower sideband, and there we are, 8.2850. That's right on. Next I'll go to upper sideband, and we're coming up with 8.831549, and the spec for this one 8.8315, right on. Next one I'll go to then is CW, and for that I should be 88307. So we'll go to 88307, change to CW, and that calls to me in send. I've got the dummy load hooked up, we're in send. 88306668. So that's close, but I could tweak that a fraction, very little in it, so I'm pretty happy with that. So just take it out of transmit. The biggest discovery though I've made of the night is that the cable that should be connecting the carrier signal to another part of the radio is completely missing. It is not there. So checked some other photos of the control board from a site, and sure enough there is a connector there. Not all the connectors on the radio do have a connection, so that's why it didn't stand out as completely odd. However, the next step is to find, is that connection lost somewhere in the radio, or has it been taken out at some point by an earlier owner or a technician? But that would go a long way to explaining why we're getting what we're getting. So that's the next thing to explore.